Here we are in Buffalo, New York. We just installed a stern thruster, an SE100 proportional. There's an exhaust system that's here in the back of this boat. This is a 41 PC formula. 41 PC formula in Buffalo, New York. It was a side power unit we put in. We did a bow thruster in here. We did the relief port here in the back. And we did the fairing in the front with the extra fairing on the bottom, because this isn't a fast boat. That allows the water to shoot past the tunnel and not race in the tunnel. Here with Ecruff Marine, doing a custom install of a side power SE100 proportional system in a 41 PC.